channel Analytics Adda. In this class we will learn about operators. So today is our sixth class of Python series, and in this class we will going to learn about the operators in Python. In Python, operators are the special symbols that can perform operations on variables and values. If you want to perform the operation on a variable and values, then we have to do the operators. So they can be categorized into different parts based on their functionality. Here is the detailed explanation. First we will discuss about the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, float division, modulus and exponential. These are the arithmetic operators. Now comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values and return the Boolean result like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Now the third part is logical operators. Basically there are three types of logical operators in any language like Python, Java, C, C++. You can learn only three logical operators like and, or, not. Like this, a result 5 is greater than 3 and 2 is less than 4. Okay. And there is a bitwise operator. Fourth one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operation is performed on the binary representation of integer like bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise not, left shift, left right. Fifth one is assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign values to variable like assign this x is equal to 5 is assignment operators. Add and assign x plus is equal to 3. This is first adding and then assigning value. Subtract and assign, multiplication and assign, divide and assign. Sixth is identity operators. These operators checks two variables refers to the same object or not. They will check only two variables refers to the same object like true if both operators point to the same object like a is b, result a is not b, then true, it will show in true and false. Seventh, membership operators. These operators simply test for membership in a sequence like list, string and tuples like in and not in. True if a variable is found in the sequence, result 3 in this list. If 3 is available in this list, then it will return true. If not, then it will return false. Like summary, we will perform some practical applications on the operators with the help of the below code. Like a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. Simple. First we will be to add a plus b, then subtract a minus b, multiplication, division, float division, then modulus, then exponential. If we will run this code, then we will get the below answer. 10 plus 3, 13, 7. This is simpler basic mathematical calculation. Now we will do the comparison. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 8. X is equal to 5. This is false. Not equal to x is not equal to y. Then is true. Greater than, x is greater than y, false. X is less than y, true. Then we will do the simple comparison operators with the help of this code. Then we will do the logical operator. A true, b false. A and b false. True and false, false. True or false, true. Not true means false. Bitwise operator. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. And bitwise and, these are the simplest. We will do the operators with the help of the following code. Request you to please practice all this code and do in, and if you have any doubt, request you to please put your doubt in the comment section. Then like on the assignment operator. Assignment operator simply assign the value, assign and add the value, subtract and assign the value, multiplication like this. And identity, a is equal to 1, 2, 3, b is equal to a. Check if a and b are in the same object. It will check. If it is in a and b, then true, else it will false. Then last is membership operators. Membership operators are basically of two types, in and not in. If a variable is in the list, then it will show true, else it will show false. So guys, this is all about the operators. Request you to please practice these operators into the Jupyter notebook. If you have any questions, then put your questions in the comment section, and request you to please watch my first 5 videos of the Python series. And if you have any doubt, request you to put on the comment section. And if you like these videos, request you to please hit like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.